And we are back, and first my mom has to put the waffles on the plate.
Show it.
Wait, what? Water's on
It's okay.
And I'm going to pour the syrup. So okay. And now that's all you need, and your waffles are done.
And last,
you can eat them.
Yeah. All right. And say your name.
And my name is KitKat Level 101, and this is my mom.
The end.
The end. Bye, guys.